Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you guys this new glueless wig that I got from Hurela hair. It was so easy to apply. I literally had it applied within 5 minutes, and then I just gave myself some curls. The length that I chose is 24 inches. The hair is really soft. I'll make sure to put all of the links in the description box down below. They sent me these wig caps, and I must say I really had liked it. I preferred them over the thick wig caps just because it was easy to lay, and I had laid them with the Got to Be Free spray. So that's all I had to do, and then I blow dried it, and then after I blow dried it I just removed the extra wig cap. This is their transparent lace. The wig already came pre-plucked, so this is literally how it looked. I had to bleach the knots myself. On the sides, if you want to pre-pluck it some more just to customize it to your own hairline, you can definitely do that, but I also always like to show you guys how the wig exactly comes. And here I'm just using the Ghost Bond glue to lay the wig. Laying it with the Ghost Bond glue is definitely not needed because it is a glueless wig, but I just like to do it like this just so I can wear the wig for a little bit longer.